Wake the fuck up, Miss Mulroy. Hope you're fucking hearing this. All round the world, rounded, now found its way back through the ashes into the same world. It's what I think when I break these lines until they come down here. Should I crash it? Sucking off on this bitch. Scratches and stacks now. So is it? You can't come to me. Something you can't come to me. Something you listen. I'm feeling. Takes a break. The scene through the basin. I'm bleeding. It's a way to go. Treat it. I see it. The scene is not pleasing. It's so repulsive. Cut it lost. Came back to hear that I'm full charge. Match it. She's got you. Cause you know bitch. She's capping. Capping. Run on me. That outfit. Can't help it. Prostitute. By her name. I'm a broken back. Playing the style. She's a like. Move around her head. So she's such. And she jumps on dick. When she's acting. Way too self. She got it. Smiling. Did you see that shit? That's not how you treat a fucking baby. Throwing it around like that. There's no love in his eyes. That's disgusting, and I'm disgusted by that kind of behaviour. I just can't believe it. That is not how a good woman behaves. Mommy, please, let me cry. I'm taking baby into the tears across my eyes, and I'm actually meant to. I'm with the one that was behind. I'm a big girl. I'm a big postcard. Used to do. I follow when you knew. The one that be alive. Every day I would take down. I need to rock the boat and roll the game. Don't be so tired. I'm to take it now. Let me show you how to hold a baby, okay? You see this? This is holding a baby with love and care. We cherish the baby, we love the baby. We don't treat it like shit, throw it around like that, okay? You don't fucking bring a baby into this world and throw it around, do you? I got understand that I feel like I just need to do it and you let me down.